isn't that absolutely pulsating non-league game of football? Oh!
Goal I Gymru tro yma, da ni fo'r captain I hun, Bootlegger, huge. A pwy gwell I fynd drwy I trio ail greu gol Mickey Thomas I Wrexham yn ebyn Arsenal 92. So da ni am trio gwneud hwn. Free kick ar I droed chwith, pasio'r wal, you were there.
Yeah.
How was that feel?
That was brilliant, Captain. It was a day that we'll never ever forget in the folklore of Wrexham AFC.
It's because oedd Wrexham reit yn gwylod, 92nd.
92nd,
Arsenal newid gyda league. Ia, a ni drio fo, a we.
Yeah.
Iawn.
Iawn, Captain.
Os welwch chi'r fideo dwytha, da ni rybys.
Oh.
Go on! A we.
Iawn, Captain.
Reit ta. Dwi'n gwybod os oedd Mickey Thomas efo Clem be oedd y valve back in the day, ia. Dwi am roed ar y valve os dwi'n gallu ffindio I. A I fan'na. Barod, met. On I fewn. Ochr rong. Tre to. Cain. Mwn, ys ia carpad diwn. Cai ras back in the day. Cai tatws oedd o. Mae fewn. Ond dim digon uchel. Gwynab yn flamethrower. Oh! Di gael blas ar on!
We'll get it in the net.
Oh my god!
He's not happy.
Mae llinell fi'n spot on, ond di fatha bod fi'n ofyn oed yn rhoed o Dani. Sa'n Mickey Thomas yn dweud?
Absolutely diabolical.
Dwi'n disgwyl chdi jyst gael I syth fewn.
Yeah, dwi'n hoffi. Boom. Finding the legs. Gonna put my foot straight through the fuck.
Iawn, Pilsner, reit yn y top, yn y gornel top. Go on. Mae'n cicio llawer o bod dim. Da ni wedi cael grŵl.
Dwi'n off I pub, eh?
Da iawn. Da iawn, capten. A enillydd heiddiannol iawn. Boi methu cicio'r bel yn iawn, ia, ond syth I top. Chi'n gweld y Pilsner. Syth I pub, a we. A we. Awn I pub, awn I pub.
Let's go, Captain.